learn a top rock step called the 4 corners. So 4 corners, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the points that you want to have visually in your head. These are the marks that you're gonna be rocking to when you step out. So all we're doing, starting in, right? So I'm center, if this was my cipher or my circle, I'm center of it. And all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do an open step to one side of the corner. I'm gonna come back to center, take it to the other side, come back to center, take it back, come back to center, take it to the other side, and coming back. Very good. So, couple things to remember with the top rock, fundamentals. We always have the rock in our body, and as we step out in that 2-step, our weight transfers from center all the way out, all right? So make sure that you don't leave your weight center and try and tap away. The body, everything is gonna shift over to the way that you're stepping. Coming back, stepping out, coming back, stepping out, coming back, stepping out, coming back. Very good. That's just a single 4 corners. Let's go ahead and try that again, and I'm gonna add a little something to spice it up. So you're gonna go boom, out, in, in again, goes in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out. As you can see, that was open. I never once crossed my legs. We're now gonna add a cross, okay? So from here, I'm gonna cross, so I'm gonna take my opposite foot and I'm gonna cross over to that front corner. Then I'm gonna come back, cross over my body to take it to the other side, come back, cross behind, come back, cross behind, come back. Very good. Let's take that a little bit faster. Here we go. Rock, cross. 4 corners. Back corner. Again, up. Cross. 4 corners. Back. Good. Very nice. I'm gonna go ahead and give you a little bit of a different variation. So instead of keeping it with the whole count as we're doing it, we're gonna add a little shift of our hips. So we're gonna go shift, shift, and then we're gonna step out every single time. So we're gonna go shift, shift, step out. Shift, shift, step out. Shift, shift, step out, all right? So instead of just going here to here to here to here, now we just added a little groove, a little accent with the hips, a little and count to play with the music a little bit more, because as we know, the music definitely has that big boom, boom, but it has a lot of like tee, tee, all that stuff in between, and this variation will help you accent that a lot more too. So here we go. 5, 6, 7, you go. A shift, shift out. A twist, twist out. A twist, twist out. A twist, twist, take it cross. Twist, twist out. A twist, twist, cross. A twist, twist, cross. A twist, twist, cross. Very good. So that version again, just to give you another variation, something you can see, make it your own. You've got your 4 corners open. You've got your 4 corners crossed. Again, it doesn't always have to go corner to corner to corner to corner. You can start to mess with that all you want. So if I just go into the circle and I'm like, oh, I'm gonna use the 4 corners concept, then I can go from here, back, here, open, here, here, boom, I can repeat, right, over there. You can play with it all kinds of cool ways. Get creative. 4 corners, have fun with your top rock. Keep it funky. You can download Levels today. It's available on Google, iOS, and Roku, or by going to dancelevels.app.